GENI-Ant is a sorting system based on the autonomous mobile robot technology and can be used as a standalone solution or integrated with other material handling equipment, such as an extension of an existing sorter. Philips has decided to invest in developing the GENI-Ant as a response to market changes. Our customers are facing tremendous volume growth that has made it difficult to plan investment for the next years. Distribution networks are changing, and there are more small depots inside the urban areas that have much less footprint available for automated sortation. In comparison to a traditional sorter, a system based on the GENI-Ant requires much less space. It is equipped with two standalone crossbelts to enable sortation of multiple items. The GENI-Ant can handle a wide range of products, such as parcels, flyers, fragile and not standard items. This range of products also includes extremely small and irregular items that are difficult to sort with the other systems, such as soft goods, oddly shaped and unstable packages. The GENI-Ant never stops and can adjust its speed to support a wide variety of tasks, such as transporting unstable parcels or safely approaching parcel loading and unloading areas. The GENI-Ant can run at high speed of over 2.5 meters per second in straight pathways and 1.5 meters per second when taking curves. It is free to move throughout the operational area with guidance from a navigational map with no limitations. With the smart auto recharge system, batteries are recharged while the vehicles are still in motion. Recharging while in motion is one of the GENI-Ant most innovative and efficient features. But that's not all. To offer a fully automated turnkey solution, the GENI-Ant can be combined with automatic induction lines that were derived from Philips' extensive experience in high-speed sortation. GENI-Ant can work on mezzanine or floor, since it's configurable at different heights. Modular design allows flexibility to make low initial investments. GENI-Ant offers progressive growth with a sorter capacity based on real current volumes, a smaller footprint to support smaller depots, and fast reconfiguration of the layouts. If the user needs to expand the system to increase the throughput or the number of destinations, it's very easy to upgrade the system by simply adding AMRs, another loading area, or additional destination.